tower from up there. Pretty insanely large buildings. And yeah, this is I guess a bell. Yep. It says it's a Kyoto Temple bell. And this place, this Higashi Honganji, was built in 1602, which is a long time ago. But yeah, Tokugawa Ieyasu gave this piece of land to the former owner, I guess. And this bell that you just saw right here, it was made by the request of the Kyonyo Shonen. Huh, interesting. The bell is 256 centimeters, 8.4 feet tall, and 156 centimeters wide, which is about 5'1". Huh, interesting. That is quite a big one. But yeah, that is. Yeah. This place, there's not that much people here, I guess. Yeah. There's a lot of space to walk though. I guess you can take your time looking at all the architecture that's around here, which is pretty insane. I mean, if you look at the scale, yeah, it's pretty ridiculous. Humans look like ants when they're here. But yeah, this place's entrance fee is free. You don't have to pay anything. There's no fee that you have to pay. You could come here right after you get off the train at Kyoto Station. It's like I don't know, 10-minute walk, I think. It's not too far actually. It's like really close. You could also come here by bicycle, I guess. But I'm not sure if there's an actual bicycle area that you can put your bike at. So I wouldn't advise it. I parked somewhere and I hope it's a spot that I can leave my bicycle. But yeah, so I'm leaving it. And yeah, here's not sure if you can tell by the scale of me and the building behind me, but it's pretty ridiculous. And yeah, I guess you can go inside of here as well. It says to remove your shoes here, and then put them in a plastic bag like this. Yeah, and then yeah, you can go inside of there. So I guess I will do that. This is the area. This wooden thing is called a sunoko. You cannot walk on here. That's the This is what it's on the inside, I guess. Alright, so I asked the security guard, and they said that you're not allowed to record on the inside of the buildings, but you're allowed to record anything outside of the building. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna continue doing, I guess. So to the left of me is inside the actual temple, and inside of there's actually priests, and yeah, I guess you're not allowed to record that, so I'm just gonna on the outside of it. But yeah, it's pretty magnificent. Like, to think that they actually made this is quite ridiculous, I feel. Yeah, it's pretty insane. So it's like a So it's a designated national important cultural property of Japan. And it's quite insane. The hall itself is 52 meters in width and 47 meters in depth and 29 meters in height. Like this building behind me is. It's a shame I can't show the inside, but yeah, I can show this part I guess because it's not inside, but it's pretty insane. Yeah. Quite surprised right now. So the temperature outside right now, let me see. So it's about 30 degrees outside, so around the sun. But in here, the wind is blowing really strong, so it doesn't feel as though it's that hot. It actually feels like it's like 20 degrees, like 10 degrees colder, which is insane. Yeah, this is cool. The hallway, and yeah, I must say you could feel like the floor creaking. That this place is old, it has tradition. Yeah, you can hear that. So if you don't tread quietly, it's kind of loud, so I guess to be respectful for others, you should try to walk here as quietly as possible. Alright, so I'm in a different part of the building. In this place, the roof is really low. So if you're like 6 feet tall, you might actually bump your head. It's built differently. I'm not sure what it is here, but yeah. Like this white is kind of weird for this building, I feel. Yeah, there's like, I guess like a museum inside here. I guess I'm heading in here. I said free, so guess I'll walk through here. Not entirely sure what it is. This museum here looks like there's a lot of transcripts. If you're interested in all of this, yep, there's quite a lot of it actually. So, but yeah, I guess I'm not allowed to go through there. But yeah, actually not sure. That's interesting. There's a lot of bathrooms that you can use here. So if you're ever in need of going to the restroom, I guess you can run into here and use it. So, a quick tour of this place. But yeah, you could come here because it's free. If you want to experience like a temple, I guess, you can come here. You just have to be careful about what you're recording though. You cannot record inside the building, as I said before. You can only record from the outside, so you can't directly record inside of those doors. So yeah, you have to be careful of that. So I mean, as long as you're careful of that, I guess you don't have anything else to be worried about. So for here too, you have to take your shoes off to enter most of the area. So you may want to get yourself a new pair of socks, something that doesn't really stand out too much, because yeah, you don't really want to walk onto the tatami inside with dirty socks, because it's a World Heritage building, so they like to keep it as clean as possible. So I guess you kind of have to respect that kind of idea. As long as you're in a different country, you have to respect that. But yeah, so I mean, I guess that's pretty much it. And boy, are these entrances huge. Like, you can tell like the size difference of me and that door, I guess. It's pretty insane. But yeah, I guess if you're ever interested, come here. I may write a location down my YouTube video somewhere of where this is, if you ever want to come. Like, I guess you could take pictures and stuff as well if you wanted to. But yeah, so I'm about to head to the area that I parked my bicycle. I'm actually not too sure if the spot that I parked my bicycle is that the actual spot. Hopefully it is, or else I'd be lying to everyone here. I couldn't really find anywhere else that had a area to park your bicycle, so I'm assuming that you're allowed to park here. But yeah, so to put it into perspective, I guess this entrance to my right here is one of the main entrances. It seems as though everyone is going through these doors. But yeah, so that's where I went through. And to put it into perspective of Tokyo Tower over there. Not Tokyo, that's Tokyo Tower right there, up there, and then that's Kyoto Station. I kept saying Tokyo, huh? But yeah, and then that's where my bicycle is parked. So hopefully I'm allowed to park my bicycle there, and yeah, I'm not lying to you, but yep, this is where I park my bicycle. So, and as you can tell from the back, that this area is really close to Kyoto Station. So if you decide to stop by Kyoto Station, I mean, it's like a 10-minute, 5-minute walk from Kyoto Station, so it's not too far. So maybe you can just stop by for like 20 minutes here to see the view, and then go back to wherever you wanted to go. But yeah, I guess that's all for this area. Pretty much seen everything that I wanted to see. But yeah, come here, it's free, and you get to learn about stuff. So yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys later.